Today's ICD-10 quick coding tip focuses on what you need to know about coding from cancer staging information. My name is Claire and I'm an inpatient coding auditor. In my coding tips and tricks videos, you'll discover valuable insights to help sharpen your medical coding skills and code with confidence. If that sounds like something that would be helpful to you, please consider hitting that subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I release new content. The tumor nodes metastasis, or TNM staging system, is a standard system for describing the extent of a cancer's growth and is the most commonly used method for staging cancer. In this system, the letter T represents the primary tumor and provides information about its size and location at the time of the diagnosis. The letter N indicates whether the tumor has spread to nearby lymph nodes. Lastly, the letter M signifies metastasis to other parts of the body. When the physician has documented the TNM stage in the medical record, coders can decode the numerical alphabetic designation of the cancer stage to assign diagnosis codes. Additionally, if the cancer staging form is present in the record and has been validated or signed off on by the attending physician, coders can use it for coding purposes. So if the physician has not documented the stage in the medical record, be sure to check for that signed and validated form. As a coder, it's important to familiarize yourself with the TNM system so that if the physician uses the system in their documentation, you can correctly interpret that information and assign the appropriate code, or identify an opportunity to query for further information. For coding purposes, you'll be using the N designation to determine if the cancer has spread to nearby lymph nodes, and the M designation to identify any additional metastasis to other parts of the body. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. In this scenario, the diagnosis is documented as squamous cell carcinoma of the cervix with a staging of T4N1M0. The designation N1 indicates that the cancer has spread to a nearby lymph node. The documentation of N1 will allow you to assign the code identifying the localized lymph node metastasis. In this next scenario, the diagnosis is documented as T2N2M0 rectal cancer. Just like in the previous example, the documentation of N2 allows us to assign the code for localized lymph node metastasis. And the additional information classifying the cancer as M1 will allow us to code the metastasis outside of the lymph nodes. While the M1 designation indicates the presence of metastasis, it does not indicate the exact location of the mets. So best practice would be to query the physician to clarify the location of the mets. In cases where this is not possible, it would be permissible to assign the code for secondary malignant neoplasm of unspecified site. So that's it for today's quick tip. I really hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And if there's any topics that you would like me to cover in the future, just leave a comment below and I'll add them to my list. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.